Namaste. My name is Dhanush Yadav TC. I am studying in grade 7 in Sri Gurukul School. My topic is what freedom means to me. Freedom. I will start. I will start my speech. I will start my speech by the famous English phrase. Freedom is the your freedom ends when your nose begins. Freedom ends when your nose begins. I will analyze the what freedom means. Freedom is a state of mind when the people speak or think and act according to the act according to what act according to what of the wish his or her God has. As a person, I feel that the freedom of thought is one's birthright. In pre-independence era, when Gandhiji was thrown out of the train in South Africa for being an Indian, then only the thought of freedom of India from British rule came into this mind. This thought became a revolution, and Gandhiji's non-violence movement made the British leave your country and India one freedom. This freedom means a lot to me. I was born in a free country. I had a freedom to choose college, university, free to choose my profession, freedom to choose my job, freedom to live my life as I wish. While I'm enjoying my rights as a citizen of a free country, I am aware of my duties also. When our thoughts take shape of the words and action, we must respect the feeling and emotions of other people also. India won the freedom after the harsh struggle and sacrifice of many patriots. This year on 5th August, we will celebrating the 70th anniversary of the Independence Day. Let's take a pledge of India. I will make my India safe, clean, and corruption free, and all role model of all other countries. Now I will tell some of the words of Rabindranath Tagore, where the mind is without fear, where the face held high, where the knowledge is free, Thank you, Jai Hind.
Okay, Dhanush Yadav, you have tried a lot and you have put this much effort to give some information about the Independence Day. It is a very good try, and all the best, Dhanush Yadav. Namaste.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste. Yeah. Myself is from Sri Gurukul School of grade 9. My topic is on how can I serve my motherland. There is a historic word. Ask not what your country can do for you, but ask what you can do for your country. According to this statement, we should not think about the rights and facilities we get from our nation. Instead, we should think about our duties and responsibilities towards our motherland. Everyone should contribute in some way for the motherland. So, we can serve our motherland in many ways. The word serve means anything such as service or being servant towards our motherland and its citizens for the betterment of our society and nation. Everyone can help or serve his or her motherland from their own place by doing different things, primarily by obeying the rules and orders of the nation, by paying the taxes, by maintaining the social peace and harmony, by helping the senior citizens, by protecting the natural resources, by reducing the use of plastic in our daily life for the sake of environment, by saving the electricity and water, by protecting the public property, by maintaining the cleanliness, by planting the trees, and etc. There is a saying, today's children are tomorrow's citizens. According to this statement, I will prove myself as the best citizens of India. As a student, I will serve my nation by being skilled manpower needed for the nation. I should read as best as I can. I should try to gain a lot of knowledge during my student life, which might helpful to shape beautiful career in different fields such as nursing, teaching, engineering, etc., which not only helpful to me to live a comfortable life, but I automatically serve my nation being required infrastructure or skilled manpower needed for nation's development. India is my motherland. I enrich its prosperity. I gave the greatest service to it. I can give my love, my labor, my patriotism and my devotion to my motherland. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Yeah, it's very good, my dear. Even though you have stopped in the middle, you just did not leave. You just tried your level best to complete it fully. That is a very good part I have seen from you. It is very good. Well, go. Okay, namaste.
Thank you, Guruji.
India got independence as a result of combined effort of non-cooperation movements, agitations and bloodshed of the people of Indian subcontinent. Indians lost their children, parents, properties and their own life in the fight for independence. Indians were tortured in the form of heavy taxes for the crops they grew. Natural resources were looted and Indians were treated like slaves due to their dark skin. Today, by understanding the history of our motherland, we have to take pledge to safeguard our country and its independence so that we do not lose it again. I, Samashanbu, pledge to respect all fellow citizens of our country and irrespective of their caste, color, and occupation and financial status. Respect all elders and follow their words. Protect public properties. Follow traffic rules. Keep my health good and motivate others. Abide by all the rules and regulations of our country. Gain knowledge and share the same. Not to waste food, conserve water and energy at all times, respect nature and support conservation activities. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Jai
Very
Hind.
good, Samar. Very good, Samar. Very good. You have given a very good speech and you have given a lots of information also. And the way you just executed, no? So it was very nice, Samar. The way you gave the speech, no? It was very nice and it was very interesting also. Very good, Samar. Keep it up. Namaste.
Guruji. Thank you, Guruji.
Namaste, myself Diksha. I'm studying 8th standard in Sri Gurukul School. For this English speech competition, I have selected what freedom means to me as my topic. So let's start. There is a famous phrase in English, "Your freedom ends where my nose begins." It was mentioned in some of the moral books which I have read in my library. So let's know the meaning of freedom in general precipitation. So let's analyze. Freedom is a state of mind where a person can think, speak, or act according to his or her wish. The God has created every person unique. What is black, white person may be gray for another person. Now the dilemma is every person is speaking or acting according to one's mind. Feelings for the other persons may get hurt. India, being a democratic country, gives freedom to speech to its citizens. On the other hand, our judicial system keeps an eye on the right of the other citizens. Also, if the feelings of a person gets hurt by the words of the another person, he or she can file a complaint against it. This is the freedom of the person. So there is one of my favorite poem on freedom, about the freedom, written by my favorite poet, Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. where the mind is without fear and the head held high, where the knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving surges arms towards precipitation, where the dear stream of reasons has not lost in its way into the dreamery doesn't stand on deeds habit, where it's the mind is led forward by three into every winding through and actions. In that tenor of freedom, my father lets my country taking awake. So, as a person, I feel that freedom is of thought one brightness for pre-independence area when Mahatma Gandhi ji was thrown out from the train in South Africa for being an Indian. Then only the thought of freedom of India from British rule came into mind. This thought became a resolution of Gandhi ji. Non-violence means the satyagraha made the British leave our country and India won freedom. This freedom means a lot to me. I was born in a free country. I had the freedom to choose my school, college, university, freedom to choose my professions, freedom to choose my job, freedom to live my life as I wish. So, I wish that I wish my country should be always a freedom country and should not be a labor for any of the persons or any of the other countries also. So I wish on this Independence Day also I remembered all the persons who led their life for our independence to be free. So this is a small speech about what freedom means to me. Thank you so much. Namaste.
Yeah, very good, Diksha. It was a very good speech you have given to us. A very good try. Keep it up, Diksha. Namaste.
Thank you so much. Namaste.